In this video, we will explore conditional rendering, a powerful technique in JSX for dynamic content display within your components. Conditional rendering allows you to control what is rendered on the screen based on certain conditions or state values. Let's dive in. Conditional rendering is the ability to show or hide different JSX elements based on specific conditions or state values. It's like having a set of building blocks and deciding which ones to use depending on the situation. This allows your components to be more dynamic and adapt to different scenarios. One way to achieve conditional rendering in JSX is by using the logical and operator, represented by two ampersands. This operator renders the right side only when the left side is truthy. If the left side is falsy, React will ignore and skip rendering anything on the right side. This provides a concise way to conditionally include or exclude elements. Here's an example. We define a constant variable called isLoggedIn and set it to true. Inside the return statement, there is a div element. Inside the div element, we are using curly braces, and inside the curly braces, we have isLoggedIn followed by the in operator, followed by the heading 1 element with the text, "Welcome back." This code will render the "Welcome back" heading only if isLoggedIn is true, showing the welcome message only when the user is logged in. Another common way to implement conditional rendering is by using the ternary operator. It is represented by a question mark and a colon. This operator allows you to choose between two different elements based on a condition. It's a concise way to express an if-else statement within your JSX code. Here's an example. We define a constant variable called isLoggedIn and set it to false. Inside the return statement, there is a div element. Inside the div element, we are using curly braces, and inside the curly braces, we have isLoggedIn followed by a question mark. If isLoggedIn is true, then the heading 1 element with the text "Welcome" will be displayed. Otherwise, a button element with the text "Login" will be displayed. This code shows a welcome message or a login button based on the user status. So, when should you use the and operator versus the ternary operator? Use the and operator to show or hide elements conditionally. If you only need to render something based on a condition, this is a perfect choice. Use the ternary operator to choose between two different elements based on a condition. If you need to display one thing or another, the ternary operator is the way to go. To summarize, use the and operator, which is two ampersands, to conditionally show elements, and use the ternary operator, which is the question mark and colon, to choose between two options. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.